How to care for your plants while you are on vacation. How do you make sure that your plants continue to receive water while you are away? Today, let me share with you 3 ways on how to care for your plants while you are away on your holiday, on your business trip. So number 1, you can use what I call a drip bottle. There are many watering systems out there that you can buy to help you to keep the soil moist by dripping water slowly into the soil. So instead of buying one yourself, you can easily make one, right, with a recyclable water bottle, right? All you need to do is to make a tiny hole in the cap and another hole at the bottom of the bottle, and you just stick this into the soil, and the water will slowly drip out from the bottle, and it will keep the soil moist over a very long period of time. So number 2, you can use what I call a wick watering system. It is to use a cotton or nylon string or wick that draws water from a bottle into the soil, right? So into the soil. So you have a thread that runs through the bottle and into the potting media of your pot, right? That way the water will actually rise through, will be absorbed into the soil through the capillary action. So this is also another DIY that you can do at home, and it will actually last a lot more longer for you, and it's easier to maintain that way. Number 3, many times you just need to ask. So you ask your friendly neighbor or someone who lives around you to help you water your plants. So you can help them to easily manage your plants by grouping your plants into different categories so they know when to water them. Some may only need to be watered like when they are really dry, and some you just need to keep them moist, so you water it very regularly. And of course you can always help out, right, when they go on holidays or when they are not at home. That's where you can help out with them to water their plants. So all you need is really to ask someone to really help you, and they're more than happy to help you out with your garden plants. So these are the 3 ways of watering that you can use while you're not at home. Right, number 1, the drip bottle system. Number 2, the wick watering system. And number 3, ask your neighbor or someone to take care of for your plants, right? So it's pretty simple, very easy to execute. So, and if you want to learn more about gardening and find out how I do my gardening, make sure you click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel, because every week you will see new videos in my channel. I will put up 3 videos every week to help you to become a better gardener. So click on the button below, and I will see you soon.